Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your wealth strategies with Raymond James easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your wealth strategies with Raymond James, begin by visiting their official website. Once on the home page, look for the Investment Strategies section. Click on this section to explore various wealth management options. Take the time to review the different services offered, such as financial planning and portfolio management. Next, consider your personal financial goals. Identify whether you are focused on saving for retirement, purchasing a home, or funding education. After establishing your goals, schedule a consultation with a financial advisor at Raymond James. You can find the Contact Us page to locate the nearest office. Fill out the appointment request form with your details. Be sure to specify your interest in upgrading your wealth strategies during the initial inquiry. Prepare a list of your financial questions and concerns for the meeting. During the consultation, discuss your goals and present your current financial situation. Listen carefully to the advisor's recommendations. Ask about any specific investment strategies that align with your objectives. Take notes on the strategies discussed and any action items outlined by the advisor. After the meeting, review the information provided. Decide on the next steps you want to take. If you choose to proceed, follow up with your advisor to implement the recommended strategies. Finally, commit to regularly reviewing your financial plan and strategies, adjusting them as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.